Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this lesson, I'll teach you how to do functions. So remember in my Scratch lessons, if you watch my Scratch lessons, then you know what I'm talking about. If you didn't watch my Scratch lessons, I recommend you watch them later. But for now, let me just tell you what the functions are in Python. So if you watch my lessons, you probably know the def function. So let's do like def say hello, maybe. And we do this. We type print hello, how is your day going? Okay, now we'll type say hello. And they'll type hello, how is your day going? So let me show you another way to use them. So do def small talk. Oops, so I'll do this instead. And then type print hello, how are you? And then print I am doing well, and you? And then print I'm good too. Thanks. And then, okay, that was enough. Now type small underscore talk. So yeah, you can do that. So def to do to plus 2. So now we'll do print and type 2 plus 2. Oops. So define do 2 plus 2. Print 2 plus 2. Do underscore 2 plus 2 and there. So if you do that, it'll cause an error because usually in variables, we don't add numbers. But how about you say, hey, what if we just type them? Well, we can do that. Define do 2 plus 2. And now print 2 plus 2. Now I'll type do 2 plus 2. And I'll do this and enter. If you do something that's like really long, well, it might cause an error if you do this. So yeah, we can, so that is how you do the, you know, the define function. That's how you do it. So I hope you enjoyed my define function lesson today. And until next time, have a good day. Bye.